The Dragon Scroll. Liana and her little brother Kai loved exploring their grandmother's attic. One dusty afternoon, tucked inside an old wooden chest, they found a scroll. As they unrolled it, a map of a faraway land glowed with a soft, golden light. "It's a magic map," whispered Kai. A warm wind swirled from the scroll, lifting them off their feet. They tumbled through sparkling lights and landed gently on something long and stony. It snaked over green hills as far as they could see. "We're on the Great Wall of China," Liana gasped. A gentle giant with shimmering green scales and a kind smile landed beside them. "I am Long, the dragon guardian," he rumbled. "The map has brought you here to see the wonders of my home. Climb on." Liana eagerly helped Kai onto his warm back. Long soared through the clouds, and the ground below changed. He landed them softly near a huge pit filled with rows and rows of silent soldiers made of clay. "Long ago, an emperor wanted an army to protect him," Long explained. "Each warrior is different." Liana and Kai walked carefully among the statues. They saw generals, archers, and even clay horses. They were amazed that every single face had its own expression. It felt like the army was just holding its breath, waiting for a command. The map on Long's back began to glow again. With a happy roar, he took to the sky. Soon, they were gliding over a winding, emerald river. Strange, cone-shaped mountains covered in green trees rose from the water. "This is the Li River," said Long. "A painter's dream." Down on the river, they spotted a fisherman on a narrow bamboo raft. He wasn't using a fishing rod. Instead, he had special birds called cormorants that dove into the water and brought back fish for him. Liana waved, and the fisherman waved back with a big smile. Another glow from the map, and they landed in a lush, green forest. It was quiet and peaceful. Peeking through a thicket of bamboo, they saw a fluffy black and white bear happily munching on stalks. Then they saw another and another. "Pandas," Kai whispered joyfully. A keeper invited them to meet a baby panda. It was soft and clumsy, and it tumbled over their feet as it played. Liana and Kai giggled as the little panda tried to climb a small log. It was the most huggable creature they had ever met. As the sun began to set, Long flew them all the way back to their grandmother's attic. "China has many more secrets," the dragon said with a wink. "Keep exploring." The scroll lay on the floor, its golden light gone. But Liana and Kai knew the magic was real, and they couldn't wait for their next adventure.